Hey everyone, welcome to You Can Automate. In this session, we are going to learn about three C's in prompt engineering. The first C is a clarity, second one is a context, and the third one is a constraints. For any given AI tool, if you want to get the exact results or the desired results, then adding three C's in the prompt is very important. So let's see that. The first one is a context. For any given prompt, context matters a lot. Here you need to set some role, and here you need to say some scenario also, in what context, in what role you want AI tool to play. The second one is a constraint. You need to set a clear rules and limits. So if you have any specific limits or conditions you want to specify, that you can specify in this constraint section. The third one is a clarity. You should be very clear and be specific to AI tool when you are writing a prompt. Based on your instructions only, the AI tool will provide you desired result. Let's see some example here. Assume that I want to write some test cases for any given e-commerce website. This is the Amazon home screen and I want to write a test cases for this by using AI tool. When you want to write a test case for any given screenshot, and assume that you are just writing this prompt, generate test case for Amazon homepage attached. Let me copy this particular prompt and go to ChatGPT, and here I want to add this prompt with the screenshot. Here I have taken the screenshot of the Amazon homepage. I'm just going to directly attach that screenshot here and hitting enter. It is taking some time to analyze and provides a test case here. See, if you see the results, what it has provided, it has given some test cases that are functional test cases and description, steps and expected results. If you see here, all test case having just one step, and it is having mostly one liner test cases. And it has added some UI test cases, security test cases, performance test cases, content test case. The example of generating the test cases without providing three C's in the prompt. Now let's come to example where I am providing context, constraint and clarity. So for any given screenshot, if I want to fetch the test cases by AI tool, how my prompt should be with including context, constraint and clarity. So here is an example. Context you can set like, see, you are an expert quality engineer who has more than 20 years of experience in testing various kinds of applications like web, mobile, Android, iOS and API. You have a lot of expertise in preparing test plan, test strategy, test cases, test approach. You have written more than 1000 test cases, which includes positive test case, negative test case. So here you are setting some context or you are assigning some role to AI tool so that it will think on those lines. After that, you are setting some constraints. What is that constraints or conditions? I will attach a screenshot of Amazon e-commerce website homepage, create a detailed test case which includes positive scenarios, negative scenarios, description, detailed steps, expected results, and here you are adding some conditions. What is that condition here is generate top 5 critical test case only. So you want only 5 test case which are very critical, and here you are providing what all you are expecting, negative test cases, detailed steps you want and some other detail. And here you are adding extra clarity, that is generate test cases in tabular format so that I can directly move to Excel sheet. That is the clarity you are providing. So let me copy this prompt to the same ChatGPT and see how it provides the results. So here I've copied content, constraints, and the last one is a clarity. And here I'm attaching the screenshot. Amazon screenshot, and after that I am hitting enter. So if you see here, there is a lot of difference between the previous set of test cases and this set of test cases, where it is providing the test case number, description, test steps. Here it is having multiple steps like how to execute this test case, launch browser, navigate to this site, and very detailed steps also. And if you see our expected results, and these are the 5 important critical test cases which has provided. And if you see here, test data also it has analyzed. Here there is some test data it has given, And for remaining test cases like verify navigation of sign in page, there is no test data, so it is providing NA. So this is a difference between the prompt with a context, clarity and constraints, and the prompt without these three C's. If you scroll down and it is given that notes for Excels, you can copy paste directly, each column above aligns with Excel columns because you have set some clarity that you want this test case in tabular format so that you can directly copy to Excel sheet. So this is a difference of having three C's in the prompt. So whenever you are writing a prompt for any AI tool, it is not only ChatGPT, it could be any AI tool. Make sure that you are adding these three details so that you will get the desired output very easily and without trying so many iterations. So try this 3C's concept in multiple prompt, multiple scenarios so that you will get to know and you will become expert in writing a prompt. So this is about 3C's in prompt engineering, how to write prompt effectively. Try this and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.